Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving.
There are 4 separate stroke that occurs in a 4-stroke engine. Intake, compression, power, exhaust. To see the actual process, here's my DIY 4-stroke engine.
This is Midshipman Ricafranca and here's my 4-stroke engine. A 4-stroke engine is an internal combustion engine in which the piston complete 2 revolutions to complete a power stroke. There are 4 separate strokes, namely intake, compression, power, and exhaust stroke. So as you can see, the crankshaft has the connecting rod which has the piston on top. The cylinder contains the piston which is also the casing for combustion. For the imaginary camshaft, its purpose is to control the input of fuel and exhaust of fume. And here is the timing belt which synchronizes the rotation of crankshaft and the camshaft. And here is the circuit I've made. It is consists of the switch, power source, motor, and the motor speed regulator. And that's all. This is my DIY 4-stroke engine.